My name is Greg Friedrich, and I've been building cars my whole life. I have a shop called Gizmos. Our cars are hand-built. Our race cars win car shows, and our show cars win races. Our cars are as beautiful as they are functional. I had a client that was a good friend, and we shared the same passion and dream. We had a partnership on a land speed car. Our goal was to do 200 miles per hour. We got close, but then it all came to an end. It felt like unfinished business. Sometimes you just have to start over. Is making sure everything you do is level, plumb, true. You got to start with a good base point. That is why our chassis jig is perfect. We did get this chassis jig from Weld Tables, and obviously it's amazing. This thing showed up and it was perfect. And that's what we need. That's what we need to build a badass car out of. You can tell the difference. You can tell the difference between someone that cares and then someone that just kind of threw a car together. I'm going to have my ass in this car. I'm going to be driving it personally. Not only that, there's other people that I know are going to drive this. It's got to be safe. And I'm going to have this car for a long time. So, anything you do, highest quality you can possibly do. If you throw a weld down and you don't like it, cut that tube out. Sand the weld out. Don't sand the tube, just the weld. Start over. It's well worth it. You know, and even sometimes an experienced person, they still have to do that. They gotta kind of just cut bait, as they say, and throw a tube away. Start over. You got a little bit too much gap, throw it away. Start over. Can't stretch a tube out. Okay, you can make them shorter, you can't make them longer. That's just the way it goes. Take my advice, spend the time, do your research, do a good job. It doesn't matter if it takes you a full weekend to fit one tube. If you did a good job, you're going to be happy with it, and you can move on from there. All right, here's our chassis jig. Super nice chassis jig. I actually built my own chassis jig, I don't know, when I first got started, and I was really happy with it. But when I saw this chassis jig, I threw mine out. I literally just threw it out because this thing is 10 times better than what I had. But definitely check these people out. Weldtables.com. They build the nicest weld tables out there. That's all we use, and now we're using their chassis jigs. You're going to love them.